What's dessert without a meal? Before we dive into this chocolate, I got this chocolate wig from Hermosa. Make sure to go check it out. The direct link is in my bio. I made s'mores dip, y'all. Really feel like I'm about to burn my mouth, so I just want to take my time with this. Look amazing. Hold on. Is this chocolate even ready? I don't even think the chocolate is done, but cheers. Yeah. Hold on. I done lost my graham cracker. I got a little chocolate on this one. Ooh, it's hot. This is a 10 out of 10. Especially if you like have a party or something. This is crispy. You hear that? One more bite for the road.